What is really important to you? Do you make time for it? Or you are too busy? Let's be only too busy for getting better. When someone tells me they are too busy, I think of my spot on their schedule. I believe it is not about having the time for each other or having the time to do something. It is about making the time to spend with someone. It's about making the time to do something. Being too busy to notice, to listen, to love and care is not real. In my opinion, a smile can be used to say you are noticed. Eye contact can be a way of listening. Quick kiss can be a way of showing love and care. No matter how busy you are, if you do care, you will find a way to make the time you need for something or someone. Past few months been so challenging for me regarding time management. I have and still is learning how to make time for the things I need, care and want. I can see, feel and recognize how strong I am by truly and fully learning to making the time. Being busy was a drug I was addicted to. Incredibly, I even have some relaxing and lazy times now. I realized me being too busy was me not having time for myself, which means not having time tomorrow, next month, next year, and maybe never. It began with prioritizing, began with drawing bridges I decided to cross and prioritize them for me, Caroline. One of my favorite subjects back at uni was wayfindings, which was about drawing plans in various versions in my spatial design course. I do use the same concept in life these days, finding ways to cross my favorite bridges to achieve what I believe I deserve to experience. I began noticing that so many of these bridges I have built for myself take very little steps daily. For example, it takes 2.5 seconds to put an alarm for myself to remind Caroline, meditate. Today, I truly understand, respect, and love people who find time for me in their busy schedule. Having a reply message from them, having even one emoji sign from them is so much valuable. I might have these people around me before, but it is me understanding the importance of these people in my life today. Getting closer to my 30th birthday, I am finding days way more exciting. I am understanding very simple but important aspects in life. Some bridges I am crossing today began with many people crossing together. Some I lost, some could not continue, some did not want to continue, some are still with me. What do you do when you do have time for yourself? What do you say to yourself when you are too busy and do not have time for yourself? Reality is what it is. It is not what it was or as you wish it to be. Do not ever feel ignored. If you do, understand people are living their life and get inspired by them. Live yours fully. I am crossing very unique and important bridges in my life where it improves my self-growth, self-awareness. I appreciate your time being here, witnessing few of these moments through my drawings and me sharing my thoughts with you. Please subscribe to my channel and comment below this video when was the last time you were too busy, or how do you manage your time achieving goals in your life. Also your thoughts and suggestions for my channel. See ya!